Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code extension which is used to format your C# code. It's specifically made for C# only, and as you can see this is the extensions CSharpier code formatter only for C# .NET code. So if you go to the extensions tab, just type here CSharpier. This is the name of the extension, and simply click on the activate install button to simply activate this extension. 257,000 installs are there. So once you activate this extension, if you go to a C# .NET code here, so as you can see this code is not formatted, the spacing is not right. So just if you right click it, you will see this option appearing. Once you just activate this, it is enabled globally. So right click, and so once you activate this plugin, you do need to, I think, go to the command palette and just search here CSharpier, and they have given this in the documentation. So once you activate this plugin, you need to go to the settings file, user settings file, and right here in the C# language. So by default, this will be the formatter. You just need to replace the name here of this formatter, which is CSharpier. So just change this. As you can see, it will automatically do this, but if it doesn't do this, you just need to add this inside CSharpier, the editor.default formatter, like this. So just make this change, and I think just need to restart your VS Code and just right click, and you will see this option appearing, format document with, and you will see this will automatically pop in CSharpier code formatter. Simply enter, and it will automatically beautify and format all your .NET C# code directly inside VS Code. So this is a very good extension. It will save you a lot of time because it will automatically format all your C# and .NET code. Just right click. You can even do this format document, and just select this, and automatically it will format your document. So this is the extension. Definitely install it. This is their official website, C#. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.